Hey guys, welcome back here to another video, and in today's video we're going to be playing Ninja Legends because why not? It's a beautiful game, and in today's video we're going to go to the 5th island, and we're going to be seeing if we can get this dark soul bird. Like, I really want to get it, guys, because it's super cool, and that's the only pet I haven't actually locked the special one from this one. I haven't got it. It says it's only 2% till I can actually get it. We have 330.3 millions of these whatever Chen things we can waste to do this. Here it is, the dark soul bird. You guys can see it right there. And I haven't been uploading that much. Sorry about that, guys. But you guys know what I want, so let's see if we can get it. But first, we need to actually sell one of my pets that I actually don't need. Mini Ninja. Yeah, I guess I don't need Mini Ninja. Well, no, wait. Sell Mini Ninja because I don't really need it. At least I got this Mini Ninja. Whatever, it's better. So let's open it and see if we can get the dark soul bird. Let's see if we can get it in the first try. Oh my god. We just got the dark soul bird. What in the flipping heck? Oh my lord. Guys. Oh my god. This is literally the pet I was waiting for. Holy moly. Rockamole. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful pet. Oh my god, guys. You know what? Now that I have so many, like, I have, look now, there. 628.4 million chens. You know what? I'm gonna go unlock the next island, and we're gonna be wasting these things until we get the rare pet in that machine. So, you know, guys, we unlock, well, no, this is literally the first video I ever made of Ninja Legends because I haven't been uploading, so why not? I decided to play this game. I've been playing this game for a long time. I'll probably be making like this these ones, but yeah, like you guys know, we're gonna be, wait, I need to actually go check if I have all the rare ones from these ones. Let me check this one. If I don't have it, then I'm gonna be mad. Anyways, I can actually just like buy it too, anyways, too. Yeah, I don't have it. Got like so many from these, but it doesn't matter. So I really don't care about those. So let's claim our 233.5 million coins. Cause why not? You guys can see 30.0 quillion coins. I already bought, almost have every single staff. But let's see if we can go to the next island and unlock it. Cause I just wanna get the new pet. So let's go do that. So let's go here to this one. and start from right here because you guys know how I am of madness. You guys, if you guys haven't seen my like. Okay, guys, I almost fell. So if you guys don't like, if you guys like hear me not talking that much, it's because I'm concentrating on this, and because like concentrate a lot, because I know I'm literally gonna fall or something, and I don't like to fall, because then I have to start over all these things, and I just hate it. Just starting over. Not gonna lie, but these clouds look cool. No, 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 no! I almost fell. I almost fell. I almost fell. I almost fell. Yo, 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 yo. I almost fell. Oh, you know what? I'm going to the next island right now, cause you know, not the next island. You know, just whatever. Just go to the next place right now, cause I hate the clouds. The clouds are literally the most trickiest thing to land on. And when I'm playing this game, my hands sweat like crazy, bruh. Sweat like crazy. So go, 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 go. Go. I think there's meteors here. Wait, what am I doing? No, no, no. Oh no! You dumbass. Bitch. I get so mad when something like this happens. Just hate it when it happens. Just hate it, guys, because you're like so hard going up, and then you're like, and then suddenly you fall down, and you're like, what the heck? What the flipping heck? We have so many of these things. I'm probably gonna get to 1 billion. So I hate this map. Cause now that I see pretty much every single cloud is moving. Damn it. Guys, I have to like charge this. Okay then, I'll just make a part 2. Thank you guys for watching. Pretty much the whole point for this video is literally to get the Dark Soul bird. There it is. Beautiful bird. And so thank you guys for playing. Actually watching me. If you guys want to be my I'll leave the you guys want to join one of my servers, you just can be my friend, and I'll accept your friend request. Then I will trade you any pet you would literally want, because why not? So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.